In this video, I'll show you how to set up Booking.com promotions. So here on the Booking.com extranet, what you want to do is navigate to the Promotions tab, then click on Choose New Promotion. And now Booking.com will give you some predefined promotions that you can use for your listing. And you can just click on Add Promotion for any specific promotion you want to add. Now you can restrict the promotion via platform. Now here in the discount section, you can add more discount, but keep in mind what it stacks with. And also you can add restrictions to narrow your reach, target, and other guest segments right over here. And when you're done, just hit review. And when you're done, you'll be able to see it in your active promotions. Now on the top right here, you can see simulate max discount. And you can use this to simulate how discounts will stack. So put in the base rate of your property, and then by activating these toggles for your specific discounts, you can see how many discounts people can stack. And this way you avoid giving too much discount. So make sure to use this tool when you are making all of your various discount codes. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.